Before I start what I need to do today, I need to have sunlight for a while. I'm gonna miss this balcony if we move to the other house without balcony, with no balcony. Especially in the morning, my favorite place in this house is this balcony. Every morning, I can see the sunrise. Yeah, I can have sunlight every day because of the balcony. I can stay here for how many minutes to have sunlight. I hope how that we move transfer there is balcony in this side that we can still see the sunrise every morning. You wanna see the sun? It's the sun. And then in the back, I just have a quick sunlight for a while. See. Somebody is coming to dig the wall because there is pipe problem. Morning. I just have to have sunlight for a while. Oh, what happened? The sun. That's the sun in my head. See.